Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take a science class for class 8 on the based on creative question and answer from chapter 9. Now, let's start the class. Our first creative question is, Mr. Hawk connected to 60-watt bulbs in office room but connected a fan and a television in parallel. What is flow of current? What is meant by 5 ampere fuse? Draw a parallel circuit with the instrument of Mr. Hawk. And next and last question is, which one of the two circuits is more convenient? Give your opinion after a comparative discussion. Our first question was, what is flow of current? The answer of first question is, a flow of electricity through a conductor is called flow of current. The next question was, what is meant by 5 ampere fuse? A 5 ampere fuse means no current above 5 ampere can pass through it because it will then melt and make the circuit off. That means that fuse can only pass up to 5 ampere current, not more than that. Now go to the next question. Here we have to draw a parallel circuits with the instrument of Mr. Hawk. Mr. Hawk used 60 watt, 2 bulbs, a fan and a television. We know there is two types of circuits. One is series circuits, another is parallel circuits. We have to draw a parallel circuits what Mr. Hawk used at his office. See, here I have drawn a circuit, that is parallel circuits. There one 60 watt bulbs, then in parallelly there is another 60 watt bulbs, in parallelly there is one fan and the next one is TV and the last one is battery. Then all have the switch in parallelly. This is called parallel circuits and I have drawn for you. Here you have to follow this figure for C. Now come to the next question. Which one of the two circuits is more convenient? Give your opinion after a comparative discussion. I have told you there is two types of circuits. One is parallel circuits, another is series circuits. The circuit in which has been completed by connecting two bulbs one after another with the electric cell is called series connection. On the other hand, the circuit which has been completed by joining two ends of the two bulbs together at one point and the other two ends together at another point is called parallel connection. In series connection, if anything is damaged, the electricity is stopped throughout the entire series. But in case of parallel connection, in spite of damaging anything, the circuit. For example, two bulbs are connecting in series connection. If any bulb is fused, the another bulb is also be extinguished. But if in parallel connection, one bulb will be continue to glow though another one is extinguished for any reason. So from aforesaid discussion, we can say that parallel connection is more beneficial than the series circuits. Now go to our next creative question. Our next creative question have two figures. Here the figure, here is there 12 volt and that line is indicates as 3 amperes. Here there is a circuit, that is figure 1 and that is figure 2. And then A, what is called alternating current? Number B question is why it is needed different fuses for different types of instruments. C, count the value of resistance from figure 1. If number D, if A and V are replaced with each other, the activity of P will same. Analyze the argument. This question is related to figure 2. Now come to the answer. The first question was, what is called alternating current? When the flow of current changes its direction periodically, then it is called alternating current. The next question was, why it is needed different fuses for different types of instrument? Different types of instrument needs different limits of electricity, we know that. That's why it needs different types of fuses. Now go to the answer. Different fuse is needed for different instruments carry different limits of electricity, such as electric kettle carry 5 ampere current. The current needed for main power switch of the house is 30 ampere. So the fuse will be used according to the current flow and according to needs also. Now go to the next question. Count the value of resistance from figure 1. Then here given volt V is 12 volt and electricity flow is indicated with I and it is 3 amperes. And we know we have to find out the resistance. We know resistance R equal to V by I equal to V is 12 and I is 3. That means 4. That means resistance is 4. Now go to the last question. If A and V are replaced with each other, the activity of P will be same. Analyze the argument. First we have to go to the figure. See, here is A is ammeter and here is the V is voltmeter. And if we change, what will be happen? Now we will discuss about this in the question answer. Here A is the ammeter and V is the voltmeter. Ammeter is connected in series and voltmeter in parallel connection. If A and V are replaced with one another, the activity of P will not be same. If A is connected in parallel, a higher flow of current will damage the circuits. And if V is connected in series, there will be more resistance and there will be a little amount of current flow. Almost the circuit will be inactive. So if A and V are replaced with one and another, the activity of P will not be same. Dear students, here I have give your homework. You have to do CQ2 A, B and C as homework. Your homework submission date is 14th June and you will get returned your copy on 21st June. Keep practicing, do your homework in your homework copy. You will submit your homework copy with the help of your parents in the school premises, and stay safe, stay home, obey your parents. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.